Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. Yes, we are on for another live session, and today is fire. We were so close to the first 10K day. So close. I was just missing a couple $100. And we shall see. We shall see, boys and girls. Um, so if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So basically, what I do is I do live trading session on Tuesday morning, and on Thursday night I do Forex Stock Over Beer, which is where I break down my trades and give trade idea for the next upcoming days. And if you've been following me for a while, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the new people. Don't forget to activate notification. Like today, I did start. Actually, I did start at 7:30, like on time. But usually I'm always like a couple minutes earlier, a couple minutes late, whatever. So activate notifications so you know next time I go live. And yeah, so let's get going here. Let's get going. So usually I do start with GJ, but we're definitely gonna start. Actually, what time? That 30-minute candle just closed. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. This is the trade. This is the trade I'm in right now, and I want to see where this 30-minute candle did close above the major QP here. Yes. Okay. So since that major QP did that 30-minute did close above that major QP, which is 88,000, meaning we might have a retracement. Also, this 1 hour doji here. I didn't like it. Close engulfing here. So you know what? I'm gonna close one of my two position here. Um, here we go. So I did close one of my two position. I'm gonna let the other run and see where it goes. I just secure, like 4,200 on that one. So if I want to do my 6K day, I'm gonna have to my second position is gonna have to do like 50, 58. Did I say 40? Hold on, wait a second. Where did I close? Damn. Here. So 4,100 with the fees and everything. So 4,100. Okay. So I need 5,900 to do that 10K day. We shall see. We shall see. Um so yeah, so did I'm gonna actually wrote a note here. Closed first position 30 minutes closed above major QP, then don't like the H1 doji. I'm just putting those notes for myself. You know what I'm gonna do, the full breakdown, and when I journal my trades, I just want to remember like why did I close or not. So I actually did close the first position here, and one of the reason is since I'm so close for that, I was so close for that 10K day. It just drive me nuts. It's starting to play with my emotions. So you know what? Just gonna secure some profits, and I'm gonna let the rest run. Okay. That 30-minute kind of threw me like after that close above 88, um, 00 just kind of fucked me up a little bit. But if that closed engulfing here, well, good to go for our second position. So, which is perfect. So we shall see. But the 4 hour is massive bearish. We did close under here, so we just actually create a new higher high. Higher. What am I saying? Lower low. We just created a new lower low here, so I'm gonna have to update my lines. I'm keeping my lines here just for my journaling. I need to journal before and after that, I'm gonna update my chart. But yeah, basically this line will go there, and this line will go there, right? So I'm just gonna do Control Z, Control Z. Here we go. So that's how I'm gonna update my chart. And yeah, but technically that 4 hours massive bearish. We did close under, create a lower low, so we should continue down, but we also might see this. So we might see something like this to continue down. Okay. Um, But yeah, so that's why I want to secure some profit just to make sure. I'm gonna let my second position run and see how it goes. Actually gonna play stop and break even. Um, since I actually secure profit, SL at entry. There we go. Perfect. So now stop is at break even. So worst case worst, I made like 4,000 something, 4,100 something. So that's gonna be the worst case. Best case, we're gonna do that 10K day. So yeah, that was sick. Okay, so we're gonna come down to the full. Actually, let's do the full breakdown now. Okay, why I decided to take that trade. Actually, in this one, shout out to Alex, because that one was, I always tell, I don't hide anything. This one, I don't know why I didn't see it when I did my breakdown on Sunday. Um, and yeah, I didn't see it when watching Alex doing his breakdown. I said AUD cat. I was like, how the fuck did I see that? And I started to look. We clearly didn't enter the same place because we don't have the exact same um a confluence of confirmations, but still the idea was there, and it was from him. So I'm not gonna hide and saying this was my trade idea. Most of my trade are my trade idea, but that one was coming from him, and I'm not gonna hide behind it and say, "Oh yeah, this was my idea." Like a lot of people, I don't give a shit. I mean, you can copy paste my trade idea. You can take the trade idea from myself. I don't mind. The reality is the execution will never be the same, because this is not a signal room, or Alex, and there nobody has signal from people that I follow, because I don't believe in signals. You need to understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, understand the execution. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay, let's talk about this. Let me grab a glass of water. Now, I put my water far from my keyboard. So, because if you guys were live with me last week, you really remember that, yeah, it was water all over my keyboard and it wasn't working. So, I actually ordered a new one, the exact same one. It came in. I turned on my old one that was full of water and started to work again. So the new one is still in the box. Oh well. Okay, guys, by the way, if you have any question, you let me know. Hopefully the sound is loud and clear. Let me see here. Can I see comments? I'm having a problem with my window comments. Anyways, okay, let's break this down. Um, so if you're live, say hi. If you're watching the replay, say hi. I know most of you watch the replay, but hey, if you're here, matter, say hi. Not matter, but you better say hi. Anyways, okay, so let's jump into weekly. So the weekly time frame really simple. The weekly time frame was bearish. Okay, so weekly was bearish. Boom, 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 boom. Who? Here we create a lower low. Okay, we have the pullback and we're coming down. Okay, so basically, all right, cool. Weekly bearish. Now, if we jump on the daily time frame was, let me grab this arrow here. Daily time frame was bearish. Here we did flip bullish by breaking the structure. We have the pullback. We got our higher high. We got the pullback here, and boom. And what happened here? What happened here? We did break that structure, so we became bearish. We have the pullback to continue down. Okay, oops, I'm missing one arrow here to continue down. And this is also the infamous, shampoo pattern. Okay. The infamous shampoo pattern. Okay. Obviously, I like it better when it's, the other side, but doesn't matter. Okay, so this is good. So we understand that the daily was bearish. Oh, cool. So now we have here our daily area of interest right here. And we came up, retest this to continue down. So on the retest, what happened is I went on the 4-hour time frame. 4 hour. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame here, we were bearish. Okay, so we were bearish here, and we have the pullback to continue down. So now if we use our fib, this is something I do. Not a lot of people do, but I personally like it. Actually give me another confirmation. We actually rejected on the dot the golden zone here. We had a nice bearish engulfing candle here on the 4 hour. We were already bearish. I was like, all right, cool. So now for this pullback to happen, the 1 hour and the 30 minute probably had to go bullish. So let's go take a look at it. Let's remove this. So if you look here on the 2 hour, even 1 hour and 30 minute, if you see here, let's say the 1 hour. So you see the 1 hour went bullish. Actually, hold on, we forgot this elbow here, but it doesn't matter. So basically the 4 hour went bearish to have the pullback. Not bearish, but was bearish and went bullish for the pullback. So you need to wait for the break of structure. Okay, here if you see on the 1 hour, you don't really have it. Okay, and the reality is actually, wait a second here. So if you look here on the 2 hour time frame, we're still bearish. So actually, the 2 hour time frame never came back bullish. And if you look on the 1 hour, this is not an elbow actually. So that's why I was only looking for my entry signal around this area, okay, where we had this nice engulfing candle. But if I'm not wrong, it was based out of the 30 minute, was it? Or was the 2 hour? It was the 2 hour. Oh yeah. Yeah. It was the 2 hour right here. Perfect. Oops. Here we go. This engulfing candle right here. And for me, for better confirmation, I actually waited for the top wick to be formed, breaking the low and enter. So that's why what I'm saying, even if you take idea from someone, the execution will always be different. Okay. So that was it. Plus also you had two places you can enter. Okay, you actually had two places you can enter. You can enter right here. Okay, so let me show you. So basically you can enter right here on this engulfing candle right here to take it down. Put stop above. But here it would be like very tricky. Like maybe you would be getting stuck by the spread or by say, I don't know. I personally didn't enter here. So I actually waited. For the 2 hour to play out to create a pullback, which is, if you look at on the lower time frame on the 30 minute, which is also like almost like the pullback here and enter on this engulfing candle. That's possible also, but because we respected this structure still. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I was, I'm still, juggling with words this morning. I don't know what's happening with me. So if you have any question, let me know. Let's see. Okay, so that's about it for AUD CAD. If you have any question, let me know. Like I said, and yeah, actually, because I'm not able to see the question windows. I don't know what's happening with my YouTube, but whatever. Okay, so let's jump into GJ. GJ has been a mess for a while. Like nothing's interesting on GJ recently. Like look at this, man. Look at this retest here. Whoa. Let's go check it out. Euro GBP H4 going bullish. Okay. Oh. Okay. So right now H4 was bearish, and I was waiting for break above. Actually, I think I break this down. I think I broke this down on Forex stock over beer. This is exactly what I was waiting for. Okay, let me see why then. So now we got the weekly. Weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish. So this will be an intraday because we have two time frame in sync. So we're gonna have the daily and eventually the 4 hour if the 4 hour close above here. So it's not ready yet, but this would be the idea. Okay, so that would be the idea, to break above, retest to continue to the upside. Yeah, yeah, that would make sense. Because if you look on the daily here, this must be in our golden zone also. Whoops, what the hell? Sorry, guys. Um, right here, we respected the safety net here. Okay, cool, perfect. Okay, so yeah, definitely Euro GBP. I actually received another alert this night. Where was it? Oh shit, I deleted it. Hold on. Stay with me. GA. Okay, so GA 30-minute going bullish. Did I miss that trade? Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we got the weekly bullish. Weekly bullish. Okay, excellent. We got the daily. Daily is bullish. We have the pullback. Okay. We got the 4 hour. Oh, wow. This was beautiful. How the fuck did I miss this trade? Oh, 30-minute at midnight 30. That's why. So I was basically waiting for the 30-minute to go bullish. Oh man, that would be the best entry. Oh man. Right here. Right here. Plus, okay, so look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, yes, I did miss it, but it is exactly what I was planning on. It just sucks that happened at midnight. But listen, okay, so let's recap this because this is golden. Okay, so the weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. We came down having the pullback. The 4 hour is beautiful. Look at this. I mean, this cannot more be precise than this to continue up. We went in the golden zone, but if did we respect the safety net? I just want to make sure we did respect the safety net. Yes, look at this. We respect the safety net. Nice doji reaction. Awesome. Okay, so now for the 4 hour to have the pullback like this to the downside, the 30-minute had to go bearish. Okay, so the 30-minute needs to go bearish. So 30-minute was bearish, right? And still bearish, still bearish, still bearish, still bearish, still bearish. Here we go. We are now bullish. We have the break, retest to continue to the upside. Okay, so there's two ways you can enter on this one. There's people who's gonna enter on that breaking candle, and there's people who's gonna enter on the break retest. Now let's see on the 15-minute it is possible to have a better entry. Yes, so the 15-minute would have a better entry, but now it's a matter of like where the hell I'm putting my stop loss, right? Because I mean, if you enter here, the problem is, yes, this is beautiful. Let's say you enter on the 30-minute here on the break retest right here. The problem is, yeah, I missed that trade, but I don't know if I would be entered like 72 pip stop loss. It's quite big, just like it's quite big. So yeah, even if you enter here on that breaking candle right here, you got to put your stop down here, which like that sucks. Like it's 93 pips stop loss. So man, just for learning purposes, let's try to find out if there was a possible way. The only other way would be like here to have on that break retest on the 15-minute candle. But still, you got to put, it's even worse. Like it's 111 pips. Yeah, you know what? I missed a trade, but I would not be able to take it because the stop loss would be too big. So sometimes, the move works. This is a perfect example. Like everything was aligned, everything was perfect. But I would have to be putting my stop loss at a random place. Like, let's say you wait for that wick to form and put it under here, but it's a stretch. It's a stretch. So yes, I did miss it, but I would not be able to take it. And in all honesty, I was like in a pretty good trade on AU. AU, what am I saying? AUD CAD. So I don't think I would be, especially that I upped my lot size on that one. So yeah, I was risking a little bit more and trying to get that first 10K day. So yeah, but anyways, the move did play out though. That's a perfect example that This shit works beautifully, and yeah, it is what it is. Let's take a look at the daily here. Yeah, okay. The only thing that I don't like on on GA is like all this mess here on the daily. Just well. Okay, let's talk about GU. GU, GU. Okay, so GU weekly bullish. Okay, let me delete all those arrows so it's more clean. Okay, so we got weekly bullish, we got the daily bullish, and we have the pullback. We actually had a nice engulfing candle here on the golden zone, but we actually came down. But we're still bullish at the end of the day. Are we respecting the safety net here on the daily? We are still respecting the safety net, so we're still good. 4 hour is bearish. Okay. And now let's go back to the daily and the weekly. So the weekly, this is the area of interest where I wanted to retest, which we are, but look like we're coming down lower. Is there any other area of interest lower than this? Look like we might have this one. So one, two, two, yeah, two touches. I don't know. Let's go check out on the daily. Sorry, guys. On the daily, we have this resistance. So one, still one, two, three. But I'm back in 2020, which doesn't make sense. Way too far. So yeah, I don't know. 4 hour. What about 4 hour? 4 hour still bearish. Yeah, still need to go back above here. Okay, so it's either we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna do this now. Look at this candle. If we do close above, which is perfect, I'm just gonna need the 4 hour to go back up here, retest to continue up. Okay, to break structure to the upside. So that would be perfect actually. Because if not, I need to go back up here, which is like far, you know. So yeah, so GU still the trade idea is still valid. We just gotta wait for the 4 to go bullish. Actually, for now, the alert is gonna be here. Where's my alert? Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna say H4 bullish, but as soon as what the fuck? Bullish. So as soon as this 4 hour candle close and it's under here, we're gonna move our line. We're gonna move our alerts. So we shall see. Um, let's go back to my trade here. Where are we? We're pretty much at the same place. I did close. Like, why this thing moved? I did close. Where was it? Where was it? Let me check my MT4 account history. 88,787. So 88,788. What? That doesn't make sense. Oh, that was my stop loss. Okay, so hold up, wait a second. Where did I close? Price. Okay, 88,006. Sorry, guys. 88,006. Here we go. This is where I closed. My first position. Second position is still in play in full. Um, right now, sitting at 52.6 pips. I have like 4 pips difference with my first entry. So I closed my best entry. Um, so we'll see. Would be pretty cool to close that 10K day. The fuck? What did I do here? Oh no, I'm messing up with my MT4, guys. Give me 1 sec here. What did I do here? What's going on? Here we go. back. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about we did GJ, we did AUD CAD. By the way, guys, if you have any question, you let me know. Don't be shy. Say hi in the chat. Don't forget to smash the like button. And yeah, so let's see here. We talked about GU. We talked about GA. Let's do Euro NZD. Oh, looks like did we miss that trade? Okay, so weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. And now we can update that line. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do this. Here we go. I just don't like those daily candle. Poof, side by side like this. 4 hour. 4 hour is now bearish. So let's change this. Bam. 4 hour low low. 4 hour lower high. There we go. So daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. So 30-minute now. 30-minute is bullish. Yes, 30-minute is now bullish. So we're going to put that here and here. I'm going to put it blue. 30-minute bull. Like, I just like putting those colors because it just make it super easy to, my eyes can see right away if it's bullish, bearish, just like, especially when you're looking at mini pairs, it just helps, for to be quicker. Once this candle is going to be closed, we're going to move our line. So now basically, let's say I want to take a day trade here because the weekly is still bullish. Okay, the weekly is bullish. We did retest this area. So to take it to the upside, I would need the daily to go bullish. But if we're taking a day trade, especially after this nice engulfing bearish candle creating a lower low, this is the top wick forming, and we got a 4 hour pullback here, and we might be close to this golden zone or safety net. There we go. So we're getting to the safety net. So if we respect the safety net, and we got the 30-minute switching bearish, meaning something like this. Let's say that this close here, meaning that we're gonna have to do this to continue down. Okay, so that would be for a day trade bearish for Euro NZD. So here's a day trade idea for you guys. Okay, let's talk about Euro GBP, which is a pretty. Woo! Okay, man, there's been a lot of movement this night. Holy, what happened during London session? Where is probably news? I guess. Let me check. I don't really check news anymore. Like I know I try to know when there's news, but I just don't want to fuck up my analysis. Based on news. What was it this night? Oh, cash rate, RV rate. Okay, so AUD. Okay, but except that, no, nothing. We got some USD news coming up at 10, but that's about it. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about Euro GBP. Euro GBP weekly is hold on. What happened with the chat here? I think the chat was blocked. Activate. Whatever. Okay, so weekly is sorry. Weekly is bearish here. Okay, so the weekly is bearish. We have the pullback. Oh, there we go. I knew that the chat was blocked. Just received the first message. The chat was blocked for the past like 30 minutes. Sorry, guys. Good morning, Bobby. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully you're doing good. So yeah, so now you can say hi, guys. Sorry, the chat was blocked. I don't know why. It was weird. Okay, so weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish at the moment. And the 4 hour is bearish. Yeah, I need the daily to go back bullish here. I mean, we are bullish. Sorry. I need a 4 to go back bullish. So that's why I placed this arrow there on Forex stock over here. Oh, yeah, we talked about that one just a couple minutes ago. Sorry, guys. So, yeah, so basically just waiting for this break, retest, and to continue to the upside. Yeah, on the 4 hour time frame. Actually, that's why I got the alert. Let me place another alert. This closing in 1 hour. So I'm just going to place a quick alert here just to say H4. Because I want to keep track and see what's going on. So GBP CAD, let's see here. Let's delete all those arrows. Hold on, wait a second. Oh, oh man, this almost happened. That sucks. It didn't happen. Okay, let's start from scratch. From the weekly. All right, so from the weekly, we are definitely bullish. We got this weekly area of interest that we came down to retest, but we did go under it. So now we need to go on the daily. Daily time frame is bullish also, and we went on the second area of interest, which is a daily area of interest. We should mark it down. Boom, daily area of interest. Here we have resistance, we got support, and we've extended to the left. You'll see there's another one right here somewhere. Here, boom, resistance. Okay. So we got our area of interest, which has been respected pretty well right here. And I think, if I'm not wrong, this is a safety net on our fib. Exactly. I mean, yeah, between the safety net and the golden zone. So all good. We're still respecting it. Let's take a look. So we got the weekly, daily bullish, 4 hour is bearish. So now I need the 4 hour to go bullish. Okay. Especially that we're jamming this area right here. Okay. So this is our lower low. We didn't break under, right? Yeah. So this is our lower low right here. There we go. And this is our low high. So I'm basically waiting to break above here. So actually, I'm going to place an alert here also. I'm going to say, boom. We're going bullish. Here we go. It's either that or it's either we're going to do this, this, and this, or the best scenario would be for something like this, this, break above here, retest to continue to the upside, which would be a better RR, so hopefully that makes sense for you guys. So any question for GCAD, let me know. Let's jump into Euro USD. If I'm going too fast, guys, let me know, okay? Euro USD, weekly is bullish. We kind of destroyed this area of interest, which is, we should delete it so it's less confusing. I should always do that actually. When we pass it, should always delete it. Now if we go on the daily is bullish, and we came down to this daily area of interest, which is we got a resistance, and if we go further, we got support, resistance. It's massive area of interest right here, which is also like pretty much in sync with the major QP right here. We actually did close under though. Okay, so so daily. Now let's see where we at in our fib, just for ID for confluences. Okay, so we respected the safety net also. Okay, also awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is bearish. Okay, so 4 hour time frame is bearish. You see, this is the best, would be the optimal thing to happen, would be to create a lower low here. Actually, let's redo it, because so the best thing would be like for something to happen like this, go above, retest to continue to upside, like the same idea as GCAD, to have a better R. If not, we're gonna have to break above here. So that's why I'm gonna place this alert here for now. Let's see, H4 going bullish. There we go. Perfect. USD GPY was looking nice. So let's see. All right, so we got the weekly bearish. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Okay, as you come in, not hard to do. Are we gonna get our 10K day today? We're close. We're close. Well, now we're having a little pullback, so we're gonna go back at it. But that's also why I did close one of my two position to secure some profits. Put stop at break even. And I'm gonna let the rest run. I really want that 10K day. But sometimes this that kind of setup mess up with your mind. So we shall see. All right. So weekly is bearish here. Daily is bearish also. Awesome. Let's see here. Are we respecting our safety net or not? Are we respecting our safety? Okay, so far we're respecting the safety net. We didn't break or close above, so we're still good. We came up, retest that daily area of interest. Number 2. I should delete that one so it's less confusing. There we go. Perfect. And let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is bullish. We actually, where's that line? I'm not going to be able to grab that line. Oh, here we go. Actually, this close over here. So this is our new high. And here we go. Perfect. So this is actually good. This is exactly what I was, hoping to create a new high. So we get a better RR. So basically now the only thing I'm gonna need is for price to do something like this, come down, retest to continue to the downside. Okay. So yeah, that would be good. So I'm actually gonna place an alert. Let's put it. Oh, whatever. So I'm gonna say H4 going bearish. You see, this is simple. This is always the same thing that I do. Always, 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 always. If it doesn't happen, I don't take the trade. Pretty simple. If the trade setup look like shit, I just move on to the next pair. That's it. That is the cool thing about like looking at more than one pair. Of course, scalping, I'm always looking at GJ, but swing trading it like I'm gonna talk about a pair that I've been watching since March. Okay. The trade idea is still there, still in play, but I wasn't able to take it yet, but I'm still watching it. Can you imagine if I only traded that pair? Man, I would be broke. Because I would not be able to take any trades. Okay. So basically 4-hour, I'm going to be waiting for this here. As soon as this 4-hour close, I'm going to be able to update my lines and put it here. Pretty simple. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's see here. Whoa, what? Woo! Massive rejection here. Massive. Okay, so here we are still bullish. We have the pullback. We retested the weekly area of interest. Why did I miss that trade? Wait a second. Because daily went bearish, and yeah, I had to go bullish here. Okay. Okay, so anyways, so daily is now bullish. We have the pullback, man. I don't like this. I just don't like this on the daily time frame right now. There's, and I'm watching it, but daily was bullish for actually. Oh, H4 going bullish. Okay, so we're gonna go take a look at that. I think the best, yeah, I think this was bad. Shit. Yeah, I completely missed that one. Oh, look at this. Respected the safety net on the dot. Let's go try to, just for learning purposes, guys. Okay. Let's try to find out the entry. Because this was pretty good. Pretty good. Daily area of interest. Where we had another daily area of interest. Okay. Okay, so let's go take a look at the 30-minute. Okay. So 30-minute had to go bearish to have the pullback. Okay. So 30-minute went bearish. And this mess is all bearish. Did we create a lower low? Oh, here we did create a lower low. Oh yeah, we did. Here we flipped bullish, but all this mess, it's horrible. Horrible. Yes, of course, you got your engulfing candle right here, which is kind of break retest. But man, I don't know if I would be able to enter on this. So, in all honesty, let's go take a look on the 1 hour if it's more clean. Yeah, definitely more clean. Yeah. Okay. So 1 hour would make the trick. 1 hour would make the trick because we got here our lower low. Here we didn't broke above. Here we did broke above, nice engulfing candle. Yeah, that was the entry. So right here, so that I would be able to do it. And yeah, we had a dinner with friends last night, so I was not looking at the chart, but this, man, I would be in that trade for sure. Like putting stop under here, like 5 pips under. Let's say this is 27, so let's do 32. 32. Yeah. So 32 pips, stop loss. This is for learning purposes. And you aim for your next daily area, which is kind of right here. You can go also with a major QP. Where is that major QP? We don't. Okay, so I would go for like a QP right here, like the 700, maybe just under it, because I don't want to aim the exact resistance right here. You know, when I set up my TP, I just want to put it a little lower to make sure I hit it. So let's just go take a look. That would be like that would what? What happened here? Where where's that entry? The fuck? Guys, what did I do? I see those things here, but where's my anyways. Okay, so it would be on the 1 hour, like I said. Let's do this again. So I don't know what happened here. So here, stop would be like I said, 5 pips under. So let's do 32, 32. And like I said, let's put it bigger, I guess. So there we go. So I was saying 700. So right here, just a bit under 692. That would be perfect. And that would be like a what? A 5 point. Jeez, that's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah, I missed that. So guys, I don't know if you took notes here, but this is exactly what you want to look for. Okay, this is exactly what you want to look for. This was perfect actually. Let me just double check. The 4 hour was already bullish, right? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, man, this trade. Oh, late. Like I'm rarely like sad, but this is. I'm sad missing that one. Woo! This one was fire. Shit. And the reality is, I was planning. Like, if you go on Forex Stock Over Beer from last Thursday, we broke it down. Uh, yeah, that sucks. Oh well. Okay, so let me actually wrote a note here. Um, trade idea needs to be journaled. Can you say journaled? ED? I don't know. Whatever. So I need to put that in notes because guys, like even if you don't take the trades, when you go back in the chart and you analyze and you say, oh man, this is now you can have your brain and subconscious to focus to see those things. You just gotta find what works, and now after that you're like a hawk and just like laser focus and looking for those confirmation confluences. Um, so yeah, that makes sense. But it's been a couple times that the move happens during like is setting up very nicely in Asian session. Usually Asian doesn't have a lot of volume, but I might start taking like it's not the first time I say that, but might start to look more at Asian session and maybe take trades overnight. So we'll see. This is the pair that I've been watching, I think, since March. Because I mean, this is just so fucking perfect. Like I should have been I should have grabbed some day trade out of that move. Like every time we created like a lower high, take the trade, lower high, take the trade. But just I didn't do it. So anyways, so the weekly is still bullish. This is our high low, this is our high high, anything between. We are now inside that golden zone. We are rejecting 81,000 major QP. Daily, like I said, weekly is very bullish, and the daily, unfortunately, daily was bullish, but a couple of days ago we went back bearish. So now I need the daily to do this. Boom, 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 which is going to be like a double bottom here, which is kind of cute. Um, and to continue to the upside, I need the daily to go. Actually, I should place an alert here. As soon as the daily goes bullish, man, oh man, daily. Man. This pair's about to have some massive, massive movement to the upside. Look at this. Like for like since like look at this here. This is January, December actually. Since December 2022, we've been going down here to have the full retracement. Dude, we're about to do the same fucking thing to the upside. You know, but of course, if we do break under here, retest, well, I'm gonna take it to the downside. I don't care. But it really look like we're about to do this. We're about to do this thing. Boom, 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 boom. Exactly what it did on the other side and create a high high. So yes. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame very quickly because we were figured out that the date is bearish. 4 hour is I didn't update my chart for a little while here, I think. Oh, okay, so we got the lower low here. Yeah. Anyways, 4 hour is still bearish. Okay, awesome. We had an alert a couple minutes ago. What was it again? What was it? Euro GBP H4 going bullish. Let's see. We got some message here. Isaac, ça va bien, man? Bon matin, bon matin. Bon, le 1000 est atteint finalement. Il est atteint, il est atteint, il est atteint. On y arrive, mon chum, on y arrive. Puis on va être overdue pour savoir. Si mon affaire est comme complètement insane ces temps-ci. Mais ouais, on va se figurer du temps pour savoir. Puis, anyways, on va être en vacances la semaine prochaine pour 2 semaines. Fait que peut-être on pourra se croiser. Eurocad look good. Hold on, wait a second. Did I look at it on the 30-minute? Oh, sorry, King City. I missed the question. Which pair was it? We'll go back at it. Sorry, guys. Eurocad look good. Let's go take a look at it. Man, we're so close to a 10K day, man. Like that second position stuck at 4,000. Well, actually 3,800, 900 around there. It's going back and forth. I did close my first position at 4,100 something. But man, the reality is the trade that wick here, I was at for sure over 10K, already at 10, like barely at 10K. Because when I woke up, I was like at 9. Like I took a picture. Where was it? Yeah, you can see here. Wait a second, put it in. I'm gonna 110 pips, 119 pips, right? Total, which is like it was like 50. Let me zoom, man. I'm getting old. 61 pips on the first position and 57 on the other one. And look at that. Can you see it? Yeah, man. 9,100. So I was like literally $900 away from a 10K day. God damn it. But doesn't matter. Um, if this 4 hour candle, like the 4 hour candle is going to close like in 40 minutes. I just, if this 4 hour candle closes as a doji, I might have no choice to close it. Because we might have a pullback and I don't know. Yes, I can set and completely forget. Like, let's say we do this, we have the pullback and continue down. It's doable, but am I happy with the profit right now? The reality is yes. Um, and I think like when you're happy with the profits, you should secure it. Like sometimes, yeah, you're like, oh yeah, but I want to hit my TP, and that I did that often, and it played against me. So I mean, nobody went broke securing profits. Put it this way. You know, hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. I think we have a question comments. We're gonna go take a EuroCAD. Sorry guys, I was distracted for 1 second. I just subscribed and you here, but from how I see you break down the chart, I see we trade the same way. Here we go, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Pretty happy. Yes, on va se voir bientôt, une étape à la fois. Tu vas voir, c'est qu'est le début. Ouais, ouais, ça a été plus long que prévu, mettons là. On n'a toujours pas trouvé notre winner. Mais on va l'avoir, man. On va l'avoir. On va l'avoir, on va l'avoir, on va l'avoir. Mais bien hâte de te voir, par exemple. Bien hâte de te voir. Okay. Just subscribe. Okay, let's go take a look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Where's EuroCAD? I don't have EuroCAD here. Do I have? Euro... Yeah, it's not even on my watch list. Okay, let's go take a look at EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD. I actually did break it down once because I saw some lines here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, so let's delete all this. Okay, so this is back then when I was working with only one color. So let's put this weekly high, weekly high low. Oops, what did I do? What did I do? Weekly high low. There we go. Okay, so the weekly is bullish. Daily, let's remove those. So daily is bullish. So here, guys, this is exactly what I do when this is perfect. Thanks to, what's his name? King City. Thanks to King City, we're gonna do a full breakdown here. Okay, so daily, high. So this is what I do. I go to weekly, I go to daily, I set up my high, low, or vice versa if it's bearish. What? Let's do this again. Daily. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So once this is done, I go back to the weekly and I try to find the area of interest. Okay. So first thing first, let's do here. So that would be definitely a first area because we got support. I'm sure if we extend it to, yeah, there we go. So we got resistance right here. Oops. Here we go. So that would be the first area. But the reality is once we create a high, we did that retest and we broke it down all the way here. So this now is kind of invalid, right? So let's go take a look on the daily time frame. Is there any area of interest here? Since we went here, we add that one for sure. Yes. So here, so we had support. Yeah. but we did break under. So the next area would be right here, you know. So resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, so this is our third area of interest. And let's just check on if it, woohoo, we're borderline. We're respecting the safety net. Okay, so we're still in play here for a move to the upside. Okay, so now let's go take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour went bearish. Okay, so the 4-hour went bearish. So this is our lower high, and this is our lower low. There we go. Here we need the 4-hour to go bullish. So what I'll do is I'll place an alert here, and it's gonna say H4 bullish. There we go. So H4 going bullish. So I need to wait for this. Of course, you can take a day trade based out of the fact that we got the daily and the weekly bullish. So you got 2 time frame in sync, and you can enter on the higher low potential, you know. But here, just like, I don't know, maybe the 30-minute to 1-hour higher low potential. So let's see here. Is the 1-hour went bullish? So the 1-hour is still bearish. The 2-hour is bearish. The 30-minute is bearish. So I will definitely wait for the lower time frame to flip bullish to enter a day trade. Okay. But yeah, it looks decent. It's not, definitely clearly not something I would trade. Yeah. I don't know. I just don't really like it. It makes sense though. It makes sense, but it's not super clean. Look at this. Oh yeah, we're going back down, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 10K day loading. 10K day loading. I'm getting stupid. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, if this 4 would have been closing like bullish doji, it would be like it would have sucks. So, man, if we can melt for the next 30 minutes, that would be perfect. Perfect. GJ, anything happening here? Ugh, disgusting. Here we have a new higher high. Here we go. Yeah, GG's being a mess recently. Just like, look at this. Like, we finally have a, whoops. We finally had something happening here, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this mess here. Like, it's terrible. It's not trending at all. But now we finally broke above. So let's see. Can we have like a retest here on a 4-hour time frame and continue to the upside? Maybe. So now what I'm gonna do on GJ, this is actually looking good, because if this 4-hour candle close under here, meaning we're going back bearish, I'll wait for the dogtail setup on the next 4-hour candle. And for the new people here, the dogtail symbol is pretty simple. I just call it like that just for fun. It's really simple. Is you wait for the wick to be formed to the upside, and once we're coming down and breaking the low, bam, you enter the trade. I usually use like a fixed 15 pip stop loss on that one, and break the low, take it down. When it's going with the trend, like especially if that one closed under support, meaning we're going to be bearish, you can grab like a quick 20, 25, sometimes 30 pips. If I'm going on the opposite direction, usually I grab a 1-to-1, like a 15 or 20 pips max, and I close everything. It's a quick scalp. But that setup has been working very well for me. So yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in business. Man. We are now at 58 pips on that second position. Man, at 58 pips on that worst position, that means I was at 57 when I look at 9,100. So that means that I would be so close. But I did close one position. It is what it is. Um, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, if this 4 hour breaks the low here in the next 30 minutes, it's gonna be party time. Because if we break the low of this wick, there's a good potential for price to continue to the downside. Very good potential. This daily is looking good, man. Man, can I extend this trade to here? Like to this daily structure? That would be like 98 pips. That would be sick. Okay. Let's see here. Do I have any other alerts that came out or questions on my DM? Let me check. Instagram. No. I think we're good. Yo, the wife is laughing hard upstairs. Um, yo, 60. Man, I would have been at 10K for sure. God damn it. You know, sometimes you mess up with your mind. And the reality where when I close is because of that major QP, man. I was like, oh shit, we closed back above. That was the reason here. So that's why I put notes to remember and journal. It just sucks that this thing, why is this keep moving? Can anyone explain that? I actually placed it at the exact area when I can we lock it? Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Wait a second, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Account history. So exit was at 88,006. So 88,006. Actually, 30-minute. 88,006. Exactly here. So here I'm gonna lock it. There we go. Bam! Now you're locked, bitch. I'm actually gonna put the price here. Close first position at 0.8806. 30-minute close above major. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. King City. I'm holding into the cat short entry. 0.81,882. NZD cat. Oh, short. Yeah, I'm waiting for NZ cat to go to the upside. But it's good, it's but this is exactly in the area where I want price to start pushing up. So yeah. But that makes sense. Makes sense. Just gotta see if this support hold. Actually, let's put this line right here. Yeah, and the gap short makes sense, but I'm not taking it. I've been waiting for since March to get to this area. Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, like I said, I should have taken advantage of those moves to the downside to this area. Next time, that's definitely what I'm gonna do. But it is what it is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Come on. Come on. AUD. CAD. AUD. CAD. Here we go. Okay, let's see here. What else? I wanted to do. Oh, yeah. Let's go take a look at gold. So, weekly is still bullish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour bearish. Okay. Oh, yeah. Actually, actually, 1 hour is flipping bearish at the moment. Yeah, for scalp on gold, I would wait for I would wait for this. Let's go take a look on the 30, 15, 5. Nothing. Not yet. Yeah, I would definitely wait for that break and retest here. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, totally. And what about this 4 hour time frame? 4 hour, 4 hour was already bearish. We're breaking the low here on the 4 hour also. Yeah, you know what? On the four, yeah, on gold, I think I would do the same thing as GJ. I would use the dogtail setup. So basically, wait for the tail to be formed to the upside, break the low, take it to the downside. But there's news at 10 for USD, so be careful. Um, what about Solana? Solana is getting down here. Okay, Bitcoin 29, cute. TJ still here. 80 Canada. Okay. Um. Oh man, I would love to close that 10K day live with you guys. Right now, 60 pips on that second position. I would be clearly at 10K right now. Yeah, because that one is at, oh yeah, I would be at 9,500, I guess. Yeah. Man. So I basically need 5,900 on that second position. Okay, we will. 60 pips. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Why it's not zooming? All right, so I'm taking a snapshot here. All right. Okay, so yeah, Zcash was a small sell. It's bullish, but I see where I could capitalize on. Yeah, sure, man. Why not? Why not? Okay, okay, okay. Let's go take a look very quickly. What? What am I doing? Take a look at. Okay, Sharky's doing good. What about What about Oogie? Oogie. Getting back up there. Some NFT project. I mean, BR1 took it. Eating. Been holding that one for like almost 2 years. Wow, that one dropped. I sold two, took profits at like I think it was like 10.5 so when so was at like hundreds of dollars. So that was good. But we'll see. We shall see. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so this it's 8:40. 8:40. We got the 15-minute closing. How is that gonna close? It's gonna close. It's gonna close. It's gonna close. Bearish doji. Oh. But the good news though is the 15-minute is still bearish. 15-minute is still bearish. Like now we're doing some micromanagement, which is I don't like to do. 30-minute is actually did create a lower low. So that's beautiful. Beautiful. 1 hour. Yo, if 1 hour close engulfing like this, I'm gonna be happy. It just sucks that those two doji kind of fucked me up, in all honesty. Like those two doji together, like this rejection doji engulfing. And I was like, ah man, we're gonna get the pullback plus the 30-minute did close like above the QP. So I was like, ah shit, we're up for the pullback. But yeah, I need to set and freaking forget about it. All right, guys. So I think we're just gonna go train because if not, I'm gonna be staring at this for like because we did all our breakdowns. I think everything is clear what we're looking for. So yeah, so that's about it. So guys, thank you so much for being here this morning. I would love to close at 10K with live with you guys, but look like I'm gonna have to let it play out a little bit more. Missing like basically like 1,200 right now. So we shall see. It's really rare I talk about numbers. I never talk about numbers. I don't like to do that. It's just because this is a milestone. So that's why I'm talking about it. But usually I never share my the money side. I always like talk about pips. I don't like to talk about the money side because I did that in the past and made some people jealous, made some people like asking for money, friends, family, it's just like um colleague, whatever. It's just like yeah, people don't understand and it's just like it's horrible. So so that's why now it's just because this is just a milestone. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna be live on Forex Talk Over Bear next Thursday night. Hopefully, it's gonna be celebration night. I'm gonna be talking about it. So make sure to tune in on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna be live once again. So thanks so much for tuning in this morning, guys. Take care. Wishing you an amazing day. Have a great day, guys. Take care.